sound of a dog? Oh. What's the sound of a sheep?
Ba.
Ba. What's the sound of a horse? What's the sound of a cow?
B. B. B.
Watermelon. Come on. Watermelon. Papaya. Papaya. Banana, banana. Banana, banana. Fruit salad. Fruit salad. Oh, one more. Watermelon. Watermelon. Papaya. Papaya. Tell mommy, what's the sound of a cat?
Meow.
Meow. What's the sound of a dog?
Huff.
Woof, woof. What's the sound of a horse?
Nana.
Neigh, neigh. What's the sound of a cow? Moo. What's the sound of an elephant? What's the sound of a chicken? What's the sound of a duck? Quack, quack.
Oh.
Very good. Where's the elephant? Yeah, it's there also. The other.
Where's the
Where's
elephant?
the elephant?
Elephant.
Very good. Where's the donkey?
Donkey.
Very
There.
good. How about the camel? Where's the camel?
Camel. Where?
Very good.
Where's
How
the-
about the reindeer? Where is the reindeer? Yay!
There.
How about the yak? Yak,
Yak.
where?
Where's the yak?
Yak. Here. Where are you going?
Ba. 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 Ba.
Yeah, where's the yak? Oh, where's the yak? Can you show mommy the yak?
Okay. Where's
Where's
the
the
cat? Where's the cat? Find the cat. Where's the cat?
Here.
Where's the cat? Where's the
Did-
cat?
Oh, where's the cat?
Where? Where's the cat? Where? Can you show me? No? Tomato. Find the tomato. Go. Where's the tomato? Tomato. Where? There, tomato. Very
Yay!
good.
How about the squash?
Where's the squash? Squash. Squash. Where's the squash?
One by one.
One by one. Here, the other row. Open it, the other page.
Ba. Ba.
Oh, hold on, my squash.
Jump.
Where's the squash?
Yay! Very good. How about the corn? Where's the corn?
Corn. Where's the corn? Where's the corn? Find the corn.
Yay!
Very good.
How about the pumpkin? Where's the
Pumpkin.
pumpkin?
Where's the pumpkin?
Yay!
Pumpkin. Where is the
Eggplant. The eggplant.
Eggplant.
Where's the eggplant?
Where's the eggplant?
Yay! Very good. How about the onion?
Onion. Where's the onion?
Where's the onion?
Onion.
Mm.
Ayun na.
Ah.
This one.
B.
This one.
Yeah.
Yow. This one. What's the letter? Oh, dog starts with letter. Okay, okay. Let's start with the apple. Let's start with the apple. Oh, come here, come here.
A starts apple.
Apple
first.
starts with letter.
I.
This one?
Ah.
Ah. Ball starts with letter.
B.
Cat starts with letter.
Yeah.
Dog starts with letter.
E.
D. Elephant starts with letter.
E.
Fish starts with letter. F. Grape starts with letter.
D.
G. Horse starts with letter. H. Ice cream starts with letter.
I.
I.
J.
Jug starts with letter.
Child.
J. Kite starts with letter. K. Yes, K. Lion starts with letter. L.
O.
Mango starts with letter.
Mommy.
M.
O.
Orange starts with letter.
O.
O. What can you say about letter O? Say something. Peacock starts with letter
P.
P. Can you say some words starting with letter O? What can you say? One word. What's that?
A.
Okay.
B. C. Q. O. S. G. B. C. D. C. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. O. U. U. S. N. Y. N. C.
Yay!
B. C. D. C. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. O. U. U. S. N. Y. N. C.
Yay!
A. B. C. D. F. G. J. U. U.
Don't skip the other letters.
N. C.
D. What is this?
Nan.
What is this?
Nan.
What's the color?
Yo.
What is that?
Yo.
What is this?
Yo.
Lemon.
Yo.
Lemon.
Yo. Happy. B. Bo.
C. C4. What's C4?
Cat.
Cat. D4.
Dog.
E4.
Egg.
F4.
Flower.
Flower. G4.
Kid.
Grapes. H4. H. What's H4? H4. 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 H4.
Hat.
Hat. I4.
S.
I4 ice cream. Yummy. J4.
Juice.
Yes. K4. K for
key,
key. L for
lemon,
lemon.
lemon,
M for M. What about M? M for stop it. No. M for
my lemon.
okay. M for hey stop. Baby, it's bad, baby. It's bad. M for
My daddy.
okay. M okay. Continue. M for M. What about M? M for You forgot? M for hey. M for what? What's M? M for
Mommy.
N for
No.
O for
Oh,
orange. P for
poo poo.
Poo. Very good. Poo. Q for
The
queen.
body.
R
The body.
R for
The body.
R for
The body. The body. The body.
R.
Mine.
What about R?
Na mine.
R.
Na mine.
Okay. R. What about R?
Na
Oh, she forgot R.
mine.
Adi forgot R. R for what about R? Tell me what about R? R for rainbow. S for what is S for? I forgot now. S
Sun.
sun. T for
Baby.
T. What about T? T for toes. U for what about you? Umbrella.
Yeah.
V for violin. W for what is W for? Water. X for Xbox.
Bus.
Yeah.
Bus.
Okay. Y for
Yo-yo.
yo-yo. Z for
Zebra.
zebra. Very good.
2, 3, 4. Hop little. Again.
Very good, Adi.
Apple.
Apple. Say okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye now.